Hey, all you groovy cats out there. It's time for another great episode with these two goofballs. No? Okay, I'll try it again. Hey, all you groovy cats out there. It's time for another episode with these two space cadets. What? No? Okay, I'll try it again. How's my antenna look? Is it good? Okay. This thing on? Okay. Hey, all you cats out there. It's time for another episode with these two groovy dudes. How was that? Good? How's my antenna?
I've spent years searching both this world and its twin, looking for a place that I might belong, more than a shadow to all my sins. Now maybe it's time to step up, like I've never seen a better reason why. Come here, darling, I'm gonna lose me in those flashing hot amber lights. Try to be the word when you can't listen, I try to be the voice when you can't sing. I try to be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything. I wanna rescue you from your nightmares and be a part of all your dreams. I wanna be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching. We're here at the camp in Vermont that we've been at for, today's the 8th day. And we're doing good. It's been hot. And let me show you around in case you haven't seen it. Our tent's back there. Car's over here. We got a little sitting area over here. Here's the fire pit right there. And the river flows right by. Now, we just got up. Well, I just got up. Tom's been up for a while. I heard him out here strumming his guitar. And no breakfast here. That was we did a couple days ago. But today, we're on a road trip. We're not going to stay here today. We'll be back here tonight, but we're going to go to Bath, New Hampshire, in the wild Amanuensis, because I have a sluice box I want to run. So we're going to go out and get a breakfast, and then go there. Let's see what he's got on for a shirt. What you got there? I've seen something. I couldn't make it out.
Breakfast.
Oh, they're donuts. Look at that.
Same ones?
Yeah, same ones. Well, it's a sweet day. Let's go.
We saw this interesting roadside attraction somewhere up in Vermont. We thought we'd stop and take a look. And it's thundering out. This is like a tropical rainforest, dark and day, huh?
We're off of Route 100, just south of Warren. We were on our way to Bath, the wild Amanuensis. We were going to do some sluicing over there, but there's no direct road. So it was a long way from our camp, a little bit longer than I expected. And when we got up to Montpelier, Vermont, started raining. So we changed our plans, and we decided to buy some rubber ducks. So we went into Walmart and we bought some rubber ducks. We're going to show you them later. And we may have a duck race today.
And that is thunder you hear.
That is thunder. It's raining. We're on our way back. This is off of Route 100, just south of Warren. And we were in Walmart, and someone says to us, "Hey, can I take your picture?" And we looked around like, why? What, did we do something wrong? And he says, "I watch you on YouTube." So I guess we stand out. Tom wearing donuts on his shirt, and I guess we couldn't be discreet. So it's funny because we've never been to Montpelier, Vermont. It's funny that somebody up there, so we got a big kick out of that. That's a car going by the road just back that way. Okay, we're going to cut out of here because some people are coming. We're going to head back to camp and try to stay dry out of this weather. And who knows? Come along. We just got back to camp. Just as we got back, it stopped raining. It was pouring. Our top fell down. Tom's seat got all wet. Maybe they'll dry out. It must have got windy here. The water runs down. Runs down under our tent. I knew it would if it rained heavy just by the slope of the land, but it was the flattest spot. Hopefully it just keeps on running. Shouldn't come through the bottom of the tent unless there's a hole. No, I'm just looking to see if the water ran down there too. It did, so it kept on going. That's good. Over here, top came down. That should be an easy fix. Let me get things back together here. Well, we got our shelter back up, and it seems like the rain has let up now because it was pouring. And the road's a little bit different coming in the pouring rain than it just seems like you're going up a river. But you heard we got some ducks when we went to Walmart, and we got spotted in Montpelier, Vermont. I didn't expect. I usually carry a card on me if I'm, somewhere. But in Montpelier, Vermont, I didn't even have a card. I forget his name. Did you catch his name, Tom?
No, I did not.
So if you're watching this, the clerk in the Walmart in Montpelier, Vermont, you took our picture, we shook your hand. Put a comment down below so we know who it is.
Sorry we didn't get your name.
And we were buying... I don't know how he spotted us. We try to be indiscreet. Two guys dressed like this buying duckies. Now these duckies are going to be for our duck race for our members. For our members on YouTube and Patreon, you're going to have a chance to win at the duck race. If the weather holds off, we might have a duck race today. We've got different ducks too. We have a nice, like a swan. We're going to put names on these of our members. And also, Oh, and the snail.
And a frog.
And a frog.
Alligator.
Alligator. And a
Otter, maybe?
it looks like an otter because it's going to be swimming. It's weighted, I think, so it'll swim on its back.
Turtle.
And did I show them the turtle? And a turtle. And we're going to have a race. We'll tell you who the contestants are in a little bit. We got to prepare the ducks.
We're still hiding under the canopy. It's been raining since we got back.
We're numbering our ducks.
Prospector Wes has been working on some special things. Look at this. Wow.
We got to do something in the rain.
We'll be back soon to let you know what's going on.
Well, I was thinking about having a duck race, but because of all the rain, the river rose real fast all of a sudden. Let's go take a look. So, what was trickling by here real slow is going really fast, really deep. And we were going to have the duck races right in here, but I'll never be able to keep track of them because the finish line was going to be right where this stick is, going across the river, this log, and it's too fast now. There was a nice little current in there. So the duck races are postponed till next time. But the sun came out. That's the good thing. So we're going to do a little prospecting now that we're not going to get rained on, and we'll save the ducks for next time. Let's go.
Downpouring so heavy, it's amazing. It's like a whole different river right now. Amazing over there, huh? Beautiful.
Look at this piece of quartz that had iron, and all the iron has rusted out. You can still see some iron.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
And all the iron is rusted away, leaving the quartz. I bet you that's magnetics right there.
High hopes for this new area we found. We'll see, this is the first pan in there. It's like another line of thunderstorms might move in too. You know, hopefully we'll get a few pans in first.
Yeah, clouded over again.
I can hear it too. Way off in the distance.
That's why I didn't say we're down at the river, because I wanted to get the pan right in. But we're down at the river, we made it. It's a lot higher.
Almost went for a swim.
Duck races have been postponed, so let's see if we can get some gold.
A lot of black sand in that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ton of it. Now I'm on the black sand.
I don't see anything.
Nothing. Nothing.
Back for another pan, I guess. Yeah, we found this big rock here. With some heavies. And we're digging down that end of it. See if there's some gold. Unfortunately, it has started to rain again. And we're hoping it holds off long enough to get a few pins in. We'll see soon. Great looking area. There's some even bigger rocks down under there. The gold likes to stick around the bigger rocks most of the time. This little brook is just raging right now. Look at it. Nothing like before the rain, that's for sure. We're gonna have to run for cover. It's starting to pour out. If the rain stops, we might be back. Hopefully this is gonna be the pan. Definitely lots of black sand in there, tons.
Thought that was gold, but it's way too light.
I love the area too. Well, it's not looking too good. Wow.
Look at that. There's one. Is it? No.
Fool's gold.
There's it changed color. If it changes color, not gold.
Well. Making a run for it. It's raining out pretty good now.
Well, we're back at the camp because it started pouring. I didn't get completely soaked. And we found no gold. Again. I know there's gold in this river, and I know there's spots that probably can pay well. I can taste it. I can smell it. We did get a couple of specks, but we'll have to look in different spots. We have a premiere tonight, so we're going to have to go into town for the premiere. It's Wednesday. But it's been one of those days. We headed out to Bath, and we got rained out there, so we decided we'd come back here and figured even if it's drizzling and stuff, we can have a duck race. But it poured, and it poured so much that the river's raging too much. I'd never be able to contain the ducks. They'd be out of control. So the duck race was postponed. But it had stopped raining, so we figured we'd do some panning. We went to do that, and it poured on us. But we got 2 pans in. At least we did that. Found a lot of black sand. It was nice. Black. But we're going to be going into town shortly to watch the premiere, so don't go away.
This is the slop I get fed when off camera.
You want cheese?
Nah, just ham.
There it is.
Gourmet.
Voila.
That's the slop.
You gotta do what you gotta do. It's a late lunch. We gotta go in to the premiere. By the time we get back, it'll be too late.
So that's it.
We'll have dinner later.
Enjoy. Voila. That's a nice view.
We're here watching the premiere. Who's in there? Outdoor Wally, I see. Mama Partridge.
Mark Kanowski, Kenneth Smith, Partridge family. Hey, you guys, Brian Kennison, Kenneth Smith, Paul Davis, Josh and Dawn.
Wow. A lot of people. Amethyst Angel, who dropped the angel.
Known as Amethyst Angel.
This is the episode Tired Gold, where I fell asleep on the river. We're watching it here in front of the Pittsfield.
The Beanbag 72 came in, Alan Gilman, Brian Kennison.
All right, we're going to watch the premiere. We'll see you back at camp. Okay, we're back at the camp, and I got to get a fire going so we can make some dinner. We just got back from the premiere. River's gone down. Hopefully tomorrow we can have those duck races. We'll see. Got to build a fire.
Okay, it's time to eat. Here we go. We have steak, marinated in bourbon sauce. We're gonna get that going, and we'll be back. Okay, these are ready for a flip. Looking good, looking good. And we're going to drizzle a little bit of honey in that right before it finishes, but it has a little bit of ways to go, so we'll be back. All right, well, look at that, look at that. Looking good. Oh, yeah. Okay, and we don't want to overdo them. I'm going to get a little bit of honey. I'm going to put a little bit of honey in there. This is the honey. I'll put a little bit right on there like this. You don't want to put the honey in too early because it'll make the burn. And we'll drizzle it right in there. A tablespoon, I would say. Then we're going to mix that around. Flip them one more time. And then flip them again. And all in there. And then we're going to let this cook for another couple of minutes. And then we're going to meet you inside and we'll give it a try.
All right, here we are inside. Steak came out looking good. We're going to slap it on some rolls. Easy. It's a long trip, so we tried to plan easier meals. What's that? Got a beard here? A beard here.
That's your second piece.
How do you know it's my beard?
Because it's not mine.
Okay, we're gonna go over to the table and eat the beard here steak sandwiches. We'll tell you how it is. Here we are in the dining area, and we're gonna take a bite of this. They're nice and tender.
Wow.
That's better than I thought. Yeah.
Wow. That's really good flavor, huh?
Yeah, it's a bourbon sauce that they sell in the store. I just sweetened it with a little bit of honey because it always brings out the flavor. So we're going to happily eat this. Because sometimes we eat it, we're not happy. But we are tonight, and we'll be back. I'd like to take this time to thank our members, those who hit that join button, and also those who shopped at thehipbee.com. These names you see on the screen are those members, and they are special people. These people help us to continue making these videos. If you'd like to be on this screen, visit thehipbee.com and make a purchase, or hit that join button and become a member. Thank you.
Hey, all you groovy cats out there. I'd like to interrupt this program to give a big happy birthday to Jared from Adventurous Life. He's a groovy dude. Now back to those slap happy hippies.
Here we are. The steak tips were really good. Really good.
Yep.
I'll have to get them there again. And the honey sweetened it up just nice. It was a great day. Today was a day of adversity. Because every time we made a plan, the weather was against us. It was nice this morning here. So we said, let's go over to Bath and the Amanuensis. And once I started driving there, I realized it was a little further than I expected. And the weather started. So we came up with this idea of a duck race, which we're going to have it. We were going to do it today as a secondary and hang around the campsite. Even though it rained or had showers, it would be fine. But it downpoured like crazy on the way back here. And when we got back here, the river still wasn't too bad. But when we got all the ducks ready, the river went up to a rage. And we can't put ducks in there. So we'll have to do it another time. So we tried to go out and do a few pans, because that didn't stop us from doing that. And a couple other places that we wanted to check. Again, nothing but black sand, and more black sand. I don't know what to say about this river, but this whole trip so far, there hasn't been much gold. But we're still having a good time, because it's really not about the gold. It gives us an excuse to get out in the river. And we got that excuse. We're going to keep doing it. We're going to go out there. We're going to keep finding it until we find a spot that maybe we can dig in for a year or two. Because generally it collects in one spot. And you have to go to someplace somebody else already hasn't dug. Anything to say?
No.
I guess I've said it all. So thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out thehipbee.com for some delicious honey, beehive products, prospecting supplies. Go check it out. And you can also become a member by hitting the join button, and you'll get exclusive episodes and behind the scenes footage and all that fun stuff.
And get in on the duck
And
races.
get in on the duck races. You have to be a member. And then we make a duck especially for you. So until next time.
Peace.